So welcome to this episode of Scrap Air Choppers. Ready to race here in Fowlerville. We're going to be doing a heat race and then right to the feature. There's going to be 8 of us tonight. Hopefully my new springs and all the changes I made make a difference and I do really good. No more rolling. Crap. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, 80% of you guys aren't subscribed. How hard is it to hit that little red button? Just do me this favor. Hit that little button. Thanks. Enjoy the show. So as you can see there, I got hit really, really hard, and that pretty much ended my night, unfortunately. So what happened, you'll see the picture coming up next, is I got hit so hard that it broke my torque converter. Never seen this happen before. A lot of people that raced a really long time have never seen this happen before. It's crazy stuff. So I was also having a fuel pump issue that I didn't realize what was fully happening at the time. Mainly because I wasn't exactly staying in it like I wanted to. I was trying to get a feel for the springs, and they were way too stiff. Just wasn't steering, falling on its face. Yeah. But I'm going to throw in another race over in Munger, which is one of the coolest tracks in Michigan. And this is my cat, Casimir. And, yeah, that's coming up next. I don't do very well in that one either, so don't get your expectations up. So as you can see, I was having all kinds of issues in that race. It just kept dying. I got back to the pits, and I figured out that the fuel pump had lost prime. So I reprimed it, and it gained fuel pressure again, but I didn't get to race again that night. So I basically had to wait until the very next race, which is coming up next. It's a pretty good video. Honestly, the next two race videos are pretty good, and they're getting a lot better. I'm still kind of getting my groove on how I want my videos to go, and I'm going to try to get the next one out a lot quicker than this one. Sometimes it's hard with life, and, you know, this is a side job, really. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this episode of Scrapyard Choppers. It was crazy. I broke a lot of stuff. It's pretty much the theme of the show. I'm going to break a lot of stuff, but I'm going to try to win. One day, maybe. We'll see. Alright, I'll see you next time for another night of figure 8 racing, and then some bump and run racing, and then more figure 8 racing. So yeah, stick around for all that. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Later.